If you're sick and tired of spending hours editing your content for YouTube and cutting it up into shorts and editing your long form, or maybe you're tired of having to pay an editor every single time you want to get something done, this is going to be the best video that you've ever watched, because by the end of it, you're going to learn about an all-in-one AI video editing platform that works to help you edit your content in minutes. Now, that tool that I'm talking about is going to be Gling.ai, which allows you to create videos faster than ever before. They allow you to edit videos, create viral clips, or generate videos from a link by using AI. And you could get started with this today for free. All you have to do is come over to the website, click on Start for Free, and we can see that very quickly we can actually go through and we could begin doing things here. Because this is going to allow you to edit your content with AI, to extract shorts from your long form content, or to generate videos from just a link, like a blog post, an X-Thread, LinkedIn post, or something along the lines of that. Now, the first thing that I want to show you before we get into the rest of these use cases is going to be actually using this to edit with AI. In order to do that, you're simply just going to come over here and you're going to drop your files in here. For example, I have these 6 files right here about a video that I'm creating about OpenClaw and setting it up, and we can see that now these are in here. Now from here, we're going to have to go through and just drag these and make sure that they're in the correct order. So I would strongly suggest that you actually order your stuff out like this. And then if you wanted to, you could add in a script, you could add in additional files, or you could add in multi-track cam if you did have that because you were filming a podcast or something like that. I personally don't have that, so we're going to stick with this. And then we're going to choose the language right here. From here, we're going to click on continue, and we are going to tell this exactly what we want done. So I want all the silences cut out. I want all the bad takes cut out. I do not want filler words taken out. I don't want captions added. I do want the audio enhanced. I do want auto zoom. Actually, I'm going to remove auto zoom, and we're just going to apply it to specific places later on. And like and subscribe, I also need that. So we have all these things. We're now going to click on enhance and edit. Now this is going to go through and actually do the first round of editing on this video. Okay, so as we can see here, this has now gone through and this has done everything that I asked of this. And this right here is absolutely insane. Look at this. If we zoom out a little bit, we could see all the places that were actually taken out of the video. And if we click into this, we could see that noise was removed here because I had something crazy going on in the background. And we could see all the things that were removed because they were mistakes, they were bad takes, or they were something along the lines of that. And this is incredibly helpful. Why? Because in the past, this would have taken hours to do. In addition to that, we could see right here that we could get this to show the cuts or not show the cuts. We could get it to show the skips or not show them. And if we come over here to enhance, we could add in those other things if we wanted to. For example, let's say that on this clip, specifically right here, I wanted to add in the zoom. I could actually add this in and we could choose what it's going to look like, when it's going to start, when it's going to end, the timing of it. And this just makes it way easier to be able to add in these special features, these special effects without being a professional video editor. And if you've ever edited before, it doesn't matter what tool you were using, Adobe Premiere Pro, CapCut, iMovie, it doesn't matter. You know just how difficult it is to go through and actually add stuff like this, but Gling makes it incredibly easy. In addition to that, let's say that we wanted to add in some B-roll. We could actually do that right here. We could literally just click on B-rolls right here. This is now going to go through and this is going to add B-roll throughout the entire video, and then we could optimize it. We could see that this is now going through and this is doing this. And if we come over here and actually click on this B-roll, we could see exactly what kind of B-roll is being used here. And we could do this in several different ways. 1, we could use stock B-roll. 2, we could actually upload our own B-roll if you had B-roll that you wanted to use, or you could actually use AI to generate a video of anything that you want, which is quite incredible because this now will make the B-roll for you. Now, the other thing that I love about this is now that this has gone through and this has added B-roll to the entire video right here, is if we wanted to, we could speed this up or slow it down. So right now we've got minimum B-roll, but if we wanted to add in more B-roll, we could add in dominant, click apply, and then it would actually go through and do it. And we could do the same exact thing with the pacing of the video. Right now, we could see what the pacing looks like, and we could see that 51 pauses were removed. But if we wanted to, we could make the pacing seem a lot slower, or we can make the pacing seem a lot faster, and we could go through and we could change this however we want with just a click, which is absolutely incredible. In addition to that, if we come over here to the top right hand corner, we click on export right here, you can see that there's so many different ways that you could export this. You could export it as a video, so it works for long form content. You could export it as a short, so it works for short form content, and so many other different methods, which I find incredibly useful. In addition to that, if we come over here, we could actually see when we watch a video, we could watch it like this. And if we wanted to cut this part out, guess what? We just click here and we're going to be able to cut it out. In addition to that, we could very easily skip throughout the video, which I love right here because it skips right to where you're trying to get to based on your transcript. Now, before I get into how to use those other Gling AI tools that I was teasing to you earlier, I wanted to remind you that you could go to the pinned comment below and get started with Gling AI today for free. This tool is an absolute no-brainer if you want to edit your content way quicker, or you want to be able to stop paying an editor, or you just are brand new to YouTube and you need an editing solution. Now, that next feature I wanted to show off here is actually going to be generating from a link right here, because this is pretty cool. So let's say that we come over to Google and we find an article about something that we want to make a video about. For example, I'm going to type in ChatGPT deep research because they just released a brand new update for this. And if we come over to news, we could find an article like this one right here from The Verge, and we could actually grab this article right here, come back over into Gling. We could post this right here and then click on this. And then what this is actually going to do is this is going to allow us to choose an AI avatar right here. Personally, I like this guy right here. We're then going to click right here on next, and then we can see right here that we could add our own voice if we wanted to, or we could go through and we could choose a voice right here. What I'm actually going to do is I'm just going to choose Gregory's voice right here, and then we could choose whether with the B-roll it's going to be stock footage or AI generated, and then we click on generate video, and now this is going to go off and actually generate the content for us. And this is going to allow you to have multiple people on your channel. This is going to allow you to get out more content, and this is going to allow you to turn all of the news into a bunch of different content, which is absolutely incredible. And this right here is the way that people are going to be creating content in the future. Okay, so now that this is actually done, this right here is incredible. This made this AI generated video, and looking at this first glance, you can't even tell that this is an AI generated video. And what I actually want to do is show you what this video looks like, and we can see right here that we can read through the script, and this was literally perfectly made from that article that was incredibly long. It cut it down into a short form script. This is the perfect length for this niche. We could see it added B-roll at all of the right times, all of the right cadence. And this right here is absolutely incredible and insane that it was able to do this. Here's what it actually created.
OpenAI is updating ChatGPT's deep research tool with a new full-screen viewer. This feature allows you to open AI-generated reports in a window separate from your chat, complete with a table of contents on the left.
Now, the next feature I want to show off is going to be extract shorts right here. This is going to allow you to actually upload your content. For example, I'm going to click right here, and then we're going to actually grab this right here. And then what this is going to do is this is going to allow us to choose how we're going to be doing this. Do we want this to be a TikTok, a short, or a reel? Do we want it to be sized for Instagram or Facebook? Or do we want it to be sized for YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn? So you could create vertical short form content, or you could even create horizontal short form content. And once again, you could choose how you're actually going to edit this, how you want it enhanced. I would strongly recommend putting captions in here, and then we just click on enhance and export. And what this is going to do is actually go through and create those shorts. And again, you could do this to create vertical shorts or horizontal shorts, which allows you to cut up your content into more pieces of content. So you don't have to record new content every day, but you could still repost and put out net new content. Now, just like that, this went through and this created a bunch of shorts right here, which is incredible. And from here, we could actually go in, we could edit these shorts, or we could export them, or if we wanted to, we could actually come over here and edit the style, aka the caption that's going to be used. And you could see that they have dozens of different captions that we could choose, or we could choose where the actual placement of it is going to be depending on what we're creating right here. And this right here allows you to very quickly turn one piece of content into 10 pieces of content, whether you're uploading long form content or short form content. You could do this with lives, you could do this with streams. The opportunities here are endless, and this is what the most professional creators are doing right now, because if you actually go and look at big creators on YouTube, guess what? They're not just uploading long form content or uploading shorts, they're uploading content everywhere in all types of content, because that's what the audience actually wants to see. And then right from here, we just click on export right here, and we can save this right to our computer. Now, if you enjoyed this video, I would strongly suggest you check out this video right here that explains to you exactly how the YouTube algorithm works right now in 2026, so that you could take full advantage of YouTube and get the views, the subscribers, and ultimately get monetized like you want. That sounds interesting? Check it out right here.